Greetings everyone, hope you're keeping well out there. As I'm sure you all know by now, my name is Alex and today we are here to check these out, which is in fact some multicoloured tracks that allow you to customise your Vector. Now, of course, we all know and love Vector the robot, but what better way to enjoy him than being able to customise him to the colour of your choice? Well, that is exactly what these additional tracks by Hexnub are for. So today we're going to do a usual quick unboxing and then we are going to try them. Taking a quick look at the packaging then, well, as you can see, it is nice and compact. And then on the back here, we've got customise your Vector and add even more personality with the Ultimate Tracks pack, hexagon tread pattern that makes Vector look super cool, and finally, 3 awesome colours to mix and match for added style and personality. Opening these up and inside we have the actual tracks themselves in a nice bit of covered plastic there to keep them nice and secure and obviously in place. Let's see how they feel then. Well, of course they are entirely made of rubber, and inside there, which is something I didn't know, you've got the little grips there that will obviously wrap around Vector's wheels, and then like stated on the front, it's got this rather cool hexagonal design which really does work well. But that is very, very strong. I mean, there's no way that is going to break easily or wear down. But one thing I really do like, however, is the actual colours. I mean, just look at them. They're very bright, they're very vibrant, and they really will help Vector look extra cool. So I've activated Vector, as you can see, and he's coming out to have a little explore. So we'll take the green ones out and let's just see how well this is going to work. Right, come here you. I'm going to take these off here. There we go. Well, they come off nice and easily, which is always good. So let's throw these on. There's one, and now the other one. There you go. Well, you know what? They actually look very, very cool. I mean, straight away you can notice that there's something very different about your Vector robot. And in terms of how he looks, I mean, whether they match, I mean, that is the colour of his eyes. I'll see if you can see that there. And there's the green of his tracks. And it does actually match up very, very well. He seems to be moving around easily too. I mean, there's no extra lag or anything like that. So they must just fit like a glove because they are working very well. Let's try another colour then. So we'll go for the purple this time, okay? Put these on. There we go. Once again, they are on. And I'm going to change his eye colour as well. So as you can see, they are currently green. So we're going to go with the purple just to match that. Pretty damn good. They really have done that very, very well. I mean, literally, the colours are pretty much an exact match. And you know what? It's purple on his tracks. It's purple on his eyes. I actually really do like them. Let's quickly try the final colour then, which is, of course, blue. Put these off. Whoa. So we've got the blue ones on. Let's change this to blue as well to match. And there we go. Let's just move all this out of the way. Blue eyes, blue tracks. It just works. It really does work well. I think it works really well with the green and of course the purple. But still, it's a nice option to have because if blue is your favourite colour, then you can slap that on Vector too. So there we go. That was just obviously a quick overview and of course demonstration of these very cool and customizable tracks for your Vector robot. And as you can see there, I put a green one and a purple one on him just to mess things up a bit. And you know what? I think they look very, very cool. It's a nice bit of optimization for your robot. But most importantly, they work well, they're very strong, and they just look very fashionable. Now, of course, before I go, however, if you've got any questions or comments you'd like to ask me about these customizable tracks for your Vector robot, then you know what to do. Put them in the comment section below and I'll get back to the answer as quickly as possible. Not forgetting as well, if you enjoyed this video and you like tech, then please show your appreciation by giving this video a fantastic thumbs up, and don't forget to hit me up on that classic subscribe button. But until next time, thank you once again for watching, and I'll hopefully see you at some point very soon. Thank you.